have a look at the streets downtown Cairo at 6 a.m. in the morning. Can't believe how quiet it actually is. And you're probably thinking, well, it's so dark.
Where is everyone?
Where is Gogo? We're not sure what you can see with this light, but try and stand under here where the light's a bit better there. You can see us now. So we're just waiting for a pickup. We've got an organised felucca ride on the Nile. So we're going to learn about the Nile and we're going to have a sail on the felucca on the Nile. Are you excited, Gogo?
I am.
I've never been on a felucca.
Me too, but being on the Nile, on a felucca or on a boat, it doesn't matter. You are on Nile.
Yeah.
But where is everyone?
Sleeping, Gogo. It's 6 o'clock in the morning. Being collected by our driver, and it's wonderful riding through the city and seeing how the city is just waking up. We always say that's like our favourite part of the day, when you see a city just waking up. You can see people getting up, going to work. You can see the lights are still on a lot of buildings. So we do hope to make it in time for sunrise. So it's starting to get lighter. Lots of the nice hotels down by the Nile.
It is, and both sides looks really nice. When you come to Nile, right and left side, nice hotel, nice buildings.
Yeah.
And Nile itself, so calm.
Yeah. And we're just here to pick up our felucca. We're not sure which one it is. We're just looking for our sailor. Yeah. Look at that beautiful sky. Look at that. So unfortunately the sails on the sail feluccas are, unfortunately there's not enough breeze, so we are on a motor one here. But it's still beautiful and we're still cruising up the Nile.
We're going towards the crocodiles.
Ooh. So that is the Cairo Tower and that is Zamalek Island.
Yeah.
Over there, which we walked over the bridge. You can see that in our vlog Zamalek. If you've not seen it, make sure to check it out. And that is the rich part of Cairo. Got lots of big hotels. And this bridge connects downtown Cairo with Zamalek.
Did you know Nile is the longest river in the world? However, Amazon is slightly longer.
Right.
So it makes Nile Africa's largest, longest river. It starts from Kenya, Tanzania and Uganda.
Wow.
And travel through 11 countries and is a big water sources for all those countries, especially Sudan.
Wow.
And it flows into Mediterranean Sea.
Wow. We've just gone under the bridge and we have a nice sunrise. It looks as though the sun is rising from over there. What do you think of the views, everyone? Would you do this felucca ride on the Nile? Even though we're on a motor felucca, not a sail one. But we're not complaining.
No,
it's beautiful.
It is like being on this river, motor or sail boat. Being on this river is important, and who has the chance to watch the sunrise on Nile?
Yeah. So we've been told that a lot of people go down to Aswan and Luxor, and a lot of people ride on feluccas there. We've not done that yet, but it's definitely something we would like to do. So if anybody has done that, we would love to know about it in the comments. The view is really amazing from up here. The city is definitely waking up. Definitely waking up. So this is our first ever visit to Egypt. We've never been to Egypt.
And this is definitely not the last
No,
visit.
we've definitely fallen in love with
many
Egypt.
more.
Yeah.
Egypt, we are already in love with you, but
Yeah.
this is makes me think like twice falling in love with you more. There's like being on this Nile. It's just like amazing. Everything is amazing.
So far during our travels in Egypt, we've only been to Giza and to Cairo. And the reason we wanted to spend a few weeks in Cairo is to really get to know the city, but we do understand that not everybody has that opportunity because some people want to fit more into a 2-week vacation or holiday. But as we know we will be coming back, we're not so worried about fitting a lot of cities in this time. So we've concentrated on Cairo. And I do feel like we've really got to know the city. We've tasted some amazing food whilst we've been here. And we've met so many amazing friendly people. Make sure you check out our vlogs on Cairo. I've seen some really big fish jumping. Let's see if we can spot some. We're going under another bridge now. Salam alaikum. When we came over to Zamalek, which is here, we actually ate on La Pasha, was it?
La Pasha, yeah.
Which is that kind of boat platform. And we tasted pigeon, which is a delicacy here in Cairo.
On this side of the Nile, there are some nice houses, apartment blocks as well, but not some nice houses. And this side, we have lots of restaurants, lots of bars, just like breathtaking. Like
busy on an evening, isn't it?
it is, yeah.
Yeah, busy on an
busy
evening.
on an evening. This is what we got. It's a little felucca. Just us. And cruising down the Nile with the sunrise. Let us know, have you ever been on Nile early morning? Or have you ever been on Nile for the dinner cruise? Comment down below, please. We want to know your experience. If you've been, let us know about your experience. So far we are having an amazing time here in Cairo, and this morning was the highlight for me. We have done early boat ride in India, Varanasi, on the river Ganges. If you haven't seen it, check it out. This is something different.
Yeah, in India it was a rowing boat on the Ganges, or Ganga as people call it in India. But yeah.
There are no crocodiles on this section of the Nile, we've been told, because there is a high dam in Aswan, so the crocodile doesn't travel this far. That was a disappointment because I really wanted to see one. But
I didn't.
Did you not?
No, I didn't want to see crocodiles. It's probably one animal which I'm really afraid of, and I don't want to see them. But still, would I go swimming in the Nile? Have you been swimming in the Nile? Let us know in the comments.
I would go swimming in the Nile because there's no crocodile. I would go swimming in the Nile because there's no crocodile, we've been told, and I don't think there are any snakes. I don't mind the crocodile, but the snakes are my biggest fear.
Oh, I would be more afraid of crocodiles. Wow, that sky is unbelievable now.
Oh, look at them apartment blocks there.
Look at what? Yeah.
Look at them apartment blocks there, like nice, like they're like a steps.
Yeah.
If I haven't seen as many Hiltons in short distance, I've seen in here.
Hilton Hotel, yeah.
Yeah, Hilton hotels. They are like every corner on the Nile. There are Hilton hotels. What's going on, Hilton? Are you trying to take over Cairo? Are they the fishermen? Yes.
Yeah.
And there is another one. It's 7:10 in the morning.
People are still discoing.
Discoing. Oh my God. Cairo, are you ever go to sleep? There is a club called London.
And it's awake.
It's awake and it's busy.
Yeah.
The music is bouncing.
What a beautiful view. The sun is rising from over there. There's such a reflection on the water as well. It's beautiful.
Minarets. You see them everywhere.
We booked our sunrise felucca ride for 6:30, which obviously you need to check out the time of sunrise, but we thought because it's a 1-hour felucca ride, that way we would catch the sunrise. And we did. Look at all the traffic. Yeah. Now look at all the traffic on the bridge. What's that like?
It's getting busier and busier. It's still quiet, but lots of cars on the road now. The traffic on the roads are getting mental. How calm is Nile? There's no traffic.
No. Yeah, it's very quiet. We're the only boat.
Yeah.
We're the only boat that we've seen this morning. So maybe all of you people travelling are sleeping in. And one thing I've got to say is there's no smell from this river. So sometimes rivers have a smell about them. This one has no smell. It smells clean.
Yes, definitely. Compared to some rivers we've seen around the world, this one is like proper clean smell. And that is the fisherman. wonder if they caught any today. Yeah. Yeah. This is the part of the life. This is the part, the Nile River giving people hope, providing water and food.
And such an important history.
It is.
So to think that the stones, to think that the blocks from the pyramids were carried up this Nile 4,500 years ago, incredible.
It is incredible. We are back on dry land and we really enjoyed this morning ride on the Nile.
Amazing experience, highly recommend it. Make sure you give us a like, a comment and subscribe, and follow the rest of our journey traveling around this beautiful country, Egypt. Thanks for watching.